Welcome to African Heroes, where we bring you inspirational and motivational speeches from our heroes.
Hi, I'm Reverend Al Sharpton, and let me say to all of you that are present there, and certainly to President Mahama, that it is my honor to even be thought of in the same paragraph. Let's known receive an award named after Sajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And the reason I say that is not only what Nkrumah means to Africans all over the world, including African Americans. I remember when I was a high school student, some of the what is now called progressives were then rebelling against the war in Vietnam by the United States, and they had the little red book by Mao Zedong. We had the black book by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And when I visited Ghana some years ago, I was with his family, went to the Nkrumah Center, and where W.B. Du Bois is buried in his belongings. So Ghana and Nkrumah is dear to every African American, and certainly to me. When Ghana received its independence, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and Adam Clayton Powell were in Ghana at the celebration. And that is not lost on us that are 2 generations removed. But it's not enough just to say that I thank you for the award. We must tighten the binds, the relationship that Nkrumah had and others had. The African American community needs to be side by side with Ghana as it deals with development, as it deals with trade. We should be your partners in dealing with how you deal with the United States and Western countries. So I take this award as a challenge. I take this award as a urgent message to me to let's step up and work together and make sure that we understand that whether we are Africans in Ghana or Africans in the United States, we face the same challenges and we face the same people that want to treat us differently than they treat others. And let us always remember the words of my pastor, Reverend William A. Jones, Jr., that the blood that binds us is thicker than the waters that divide us. Thank you again.
Thank you, and congratulations.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to share your comments below and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos coming up.